Hello friends, welcome to Exhort Solutions. Friends, in last video we have seen the dimension tab from this annotation toolbar. So if you have any query about that videos, please comment it in comment section so I can give you a resolution. Okay, so friends, let's get started with our next video. Welcome back friends. In this video we are going to see this leader head tab and this table tab. Okay, so for it also here we need some reference diagram. Okay, so I will choose this diagram is my reference diagram. First of all we will see the normal leader, then add, then each one of them one by one. Okay, so first of all I will show you how to use this leader. Okay, just select the leader. What leader does, it gives a specific dimension, a specific name to our specific geometry. Okay, just I will say this is my circle and I want to mention this is my circle, so I will just choose this boundary. Okay, and just give the arrow size. Okay, and here you will notice that I can put up the some letters here, so I will say this is my circle of. If we want to choose some symbols to it, we can choose symbols to it. I will say diameter symbol. Okay, if this circle's diameter is unknown, okay, we will keep it as it is. If it is having some diameter, so I will give 50. So what it will show, this circle is having 50 mm diameter. Okay, we can choose this size from here. We can choose this standard from here. Okay, justification means where we want this line. Okay, that also we can choose from here. We can just give the bullets and numberings here. Check the spellings if the spellings is wrong or right. Okay, and just after that putting these all values, just close the text header. So you will notice that the text has been added to this header. Okay, just by mentioning the circle diameter 50 mm for this circle, so by which we can use this simple ladder. Okay, if we want to add ladder, we can just select the add, also select that object. Okay, or select this, and also from here just I will say this is my circle, so this circle diameter 50 can be applied to these simultaneously, both of these circles. Okay, but you will notice that this diameter is quite small than this, so this can't be applicable here. So such kind of things we can use to make our diagram well defined and well suitable. Okay, if you want to remove some leader, I will just click it, just select, and it will remove that. Okay, so likewise we can use this if we want to align. Suppose I have chosen these are two leader heads, just will select. Okay, suppose these are my one and two leader, and we want to align them in one line, horizontal or straight line. I will choose this align, just select this first, enter, and this second, and you will notice that we can align them in a direction. Okay, I will say I want them align in this horizontal, so you will notice that these are the horizontal with each other. Okay, so likewise we can use this align tab. Okay, for collect also we can use the collect. We will see what it shows if we use this collect. It simply shows here if we are having the three various dimension to our specific geometry, we can align them in straight line by mentioning that these three things are the circles. Just like this is the first circle, this is the second circle, so we can align them in one line. Okay, just I will say collect, just this one. It can't select cause we have chosen it for once. Okay, so we have to use the another geometry to use this collect tab. Okay, if you have any query about that, I will show you again for this collect. Now we will see how to use these tables. Okay, suppose friends you are having these two geometry, also you are having another one circle in it, I will say, and you want to keep data of these three circles in one table. So what we can do, we can just select this table. From here we can choose the table style. We can edit it from here also, just select the modify. From here we can give various colors or anything to these. Also we can change this direction. If up, it will go from down to up. If down, it will come from up to down. We can choose select this data. If this is data, so we can change the color of this data by choosing this. Okay, if you want to change the color of title, just select title, just select the title. Just we can choose from here this dimension where it want. Just type the general, means what information we want to use in this title, we can use this. Also where we want to it in middle, in top or right, we can choose it. And after that just select OK. Okay, now use this set current, means these all details have been set current here. Okay, just close it. Now here we can add some columns or data rows here. Just give some titles, just selecting from here. Also what we want to in first row, what we want to in second row, and all other row what we want in them. We can choose the column width from here. Also we can increase or decrease from here it also. Okay, if we have any data linked with it, we can use this by going to the online. I'm not going to use this, so I will just select the empty table, and we have to put up this table to here. You will notice that this is our table. So title, what is the title? I will say this is the list of circles. Okay, click up the enter. So first of all, what I will say, I want the circles numbers. Okay, I will say this is my first circle, this is second circle, this is third circle. Okay, now I want to put some dimensions here. Okay, so what I will say, I want a dimension of this diameter, so I will choose, if we want a date, we can choose it. Okay, likewise we can use this also. Just choose, if you have any formula, we can use this formula to add these values and give some total here. Okay, likewise we can use this. I will say this is the 50, this is the 30, and this is of 10. Okay, if we have another any value, we can add it here. Likewise we can use this table to make our geometry well suitable and well defined, by which a new user can read it easily. Okay, so friends, likewise we have seen this annotation tab from these leader heads and this table. We have covered the draw, modify and annotation till now. So these are the very basic things we need in AutoCAD. Just these layers, blocks and properties or groups, these are the high level, means these are used from specific peoples for drawing such kind of drawings. So we will see them in our next coming videos. So thank you for watching this video.